Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Fluance Ai60 high performance powered 6.5-inch bookshelf speakers. Now you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $300. Now on a side note, if you never heard of Fluance, you need to check them out. They make quality speakers at affordable prices. As of right now, I'm 3 for 3. Y'all seen the AB40 sound bass? That was crazy. The AI40 bookshelf speakers for $200, best I heard yet. And the big boy, the Fi70, will blow you away. Now I'll leave the links for all of those videos up in the description. I can definitely co-sign this company. All right, so the Ai60s, these are available in 4 different colors. You got black ash, lucky bamboo, natural walnut, and white walnut. You get a 100-watt Class D amplifier, Bluetooth connection, but you also got a PC input, an optical input, RCA inputs, and a sub input. So if you want to add some extra bass. Now each speaker has a 1-inch silk dome tweeter and a 6.5-inch woven driver. You get precision crafted wood cabinets assembled by hand, and you also get a remote control. So all of that for $300, let's check it out. Now of course this is Qualcomm aptX Bluetooth connection, raw power meets sublime sound, true audio versatility, premium components for audio excellence. You can also check these out at fluance.com. All right, so let me unbox this and let's see what you get inside. All right, so here's everything you get in the box. You got your quick start guide, usual books and shit, pluck them and follow them. You got a Fluance brochure showcasing all of their latest products. Read that at your leisure. You get a remote control, 2 AAA batteries for that remote. This is going to be your RCA to 3.5 cables. So if you're using a non-Bluetooth device, plug your one end into the headphone jack, the other end's into the RCAs, and you're good to go. You get some speaker wire and your plugs. Now for the speakers themselves. The speaker weighs about 15 pounds each. On the front, here's your 1-inch silk tweeter, 6.5-inch woven driver. Here's your power button, also doubles as a volume knob. Let me see if y'all can see that. You got 4 different color LEDs. So blue would be Bluetooth, yellow would be RCA, white optical, and red for USB. Little Fluance branding on the front. On the side, look at that wood. Beautiful wood cabinets. Got your little Canadian flag on the back. And let's go through all of the inputs. All right, let me get a better angle. All right, so here's a closer look at the back of the speaker and all of your inputs and outputs. You got your Bluetooth pairing button. You got a PC input, an optical input, your RCA inputs, and your subwoofer input. Now these are going to be your speaker wire knobs and your DC input. And again, little Canadian flag. All right, so here's the back of the second speaker. Now if you notice, it is labeled left and right. So this will be the left. All you have is your gold tip speaker inputs. All right, so let me plug these in. We'll pair them up and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we're back in. Now I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you plug the speakers in, turn them on, hit that Bluetooth pairing button on the back, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu, and select the Ai60s. Now here's a closer look at your remote control. You got a power button, mute button, you got volume up and down, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. Here's your source button. You can also turn that LED indicator on and off. And you got your treble and bass controls. All right, so let's do a little sound test. All right, so I'm going to start with 50% volume and no bass. Then we'll take it over to max volume and max bass. Here we go. All right, let's take it over to max volume. All right, now let's do max bass. All right, so let's do one more track. Now I'm going to start with max volume and no bass, and then we'll do max volume and max bass. Here we go. All right, now here's the same song, but with max bass. Here we go. Now, this is how it's going to look and sound if you're using these as computer speakers. Check this out.
Speaking of feeling better, Do you guys remember when my dad told me if I hit 1,000 subscribers he'll let me drive his car? Well, thanks to you guys, I hit over 1,600 subscribers. And you know what that means? I got the keys.
All right, one more thing. Now here's a quick size comparison with the AI40s and the AI60s. Now as you can see for yourself, the AI60s is a lot bigger. Giggity. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Fluance AI60s a major go. For $300, these are a win. The build quality is excellent. You got that beautiful wood cabinet. Everything looks clean and modern. I'm definitely feeling these speakers. You got Bluetooth, RCA, PC, optical, and a subwoofer input. So that means you can connect these to whatever you want. And if you need more bass, add a subwoofer. You get a remote control so you ain't got to get up off the couch. But the best thing about these speakers is the sound. The sound quality is terrific. These get super loud. The highs and the mids are crystal clear. And you got that deep, rich bass. Now, personally, I think it sounded better with 50% bass, but if you're a bass lover, put it to max and go crazy, or add a subwoofer and blow your mind. Now, I know somebody's going to ask, which ones sound better, these or the AI40s, and it's a no-brainer. These are a lot bigger, and they sound way better than the AI40s. So if you're looking for some dope bookshelf speakers, spend that extra $100 and get the AI60s. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.